Okay, so for this task, all we need is a pencil and a pen. So those of you without markers are going to be very happy with this one. What I'd like you to do is start with just think of really basic leaf shapes. We're just going to draw the outline very, very lightly. We don't want to see the pencil in the end, but think of this as like a leaf. Maybe one out here, and maybe a shape out here. And we could just have one going down the page. Okay. You can actually draw any shapes that you like. Once you see what we are doing, then you can, I'm just testing my pen, make sure it's working. You can do any shapes that you actually like once you get the idea of this effect. And then what we're going to do is use only lines and black pen to create our optical illusion this time. It's almost like hair or water. So let's start like this. And then what we're going to do is just bring in parallel lines, but where they can meet. Now we could just do this for the whole shape, but we can change it too. I'll show you how to change it. Parallel lines, so it helps to stand up. Okay, and if you want to change the direction, something that's really cool is we could actually go like this and curve your line. Remember, we're going to rub out the pencil line after. It's going to create a flowing effect, a little bit like hair. You can change the direction of the line. Maybe you go like this. You could go like this. You can even do like the tunnel effect, which is what I'm doing here. The tunnels and the worms, you can do that effect. So you can bring in as many different designs, and it's just line on line on line, and see how it creates this movement. And there's no right or wrong. Don't worry if your lines aren't perfectly parallel and they accidentally touch, because in the overall effect, no one is going to notice. And later we're going to do one where we get to learn how to draw a face, and we will make it like crazy hair. Okay. I'm doing the worm effect right now. If you curve your lines, you can change the way that it moves. So it's all just a bit of playing, trial and error, to create a really awesome effect. And then when your ink is not dry, even biro ink can be wet, we then erase the outline, so that way it's all about the lines. I guess you could, if you wanted to, we could make this meet so that it creates its own line, or you could draw an outline around it. You can see what you prefer. Oops. See, it's just a normal pen. Okay, but then we do it for all of them. So when all these lines move into one another, you get such a cool effect. I use this a lot in my journaling. I might have painted something else, and then I would come in with these lines to create movement. It's a great effect. So enjoy this illusion.